Hey kids, how are you? I hope your studies are going very well and you're scoring very good marks. So today we are going to learn about pronoun theirs. So theirs is a possessive pronoun which is used in place of third person. I know you're a little bit confused that what is the difference between possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. It's very simple. Possessive pronoun and possessive adjective both are used to show possession towards the speaker. But possessive adjective is followed by a noun and possessive pronoun is not followed by a noun. It usually comes at the end of the sentence. For example, the garden is theirs. In this sentence, pronoun theirs denotes that the garden belongs to third person. And is it followed by a noun or not? No, it is not followed by a noun. Therefore, it is a possessive pronoun. So let's see some examples and make the concept of possessive pronoun theirs clear. So Rudy, our first example of pronoun theirs is these fruits are theirs. So in this sentence, pronoun theirs is a possessive pronoun which is used in place of third person plural. I know you are confused between possessive pronoun and possessive adjective, right?
Yeah.
It's very simple. Possessive pronoun and possessive adjective both tells us that what thing belongs to which person, but possessive adjective is followed by a noun and possessive pronoun is not followed by a noun. It usually comes at the end of the sentence.
Oh, now I understood.
So Rudy, read the second example.
The bags are theirs.
Correct. So again in the sentence, pronoun theirs is a possessive pronoun which tells us that the bags belong to third person
Plural.
Good. So Rudy, our last example is this toy is theirs. So can you identify the possessive pronoun in this sentence?
Theirs.
Why?
Because it shows that the toy belongs to third person.
Right. Singular or plural?
Plural.
Absolutely correct. So, I hope you are very clear that what is pronoun theirs. With this, bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.